Hello, and today we're looking at the Gemini Jet's Ural Airlines Airbus A321neo in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane identical to the one found inside. The model of the plane, again the Airbus A321neo, and the airline Ural Airlines. On the back we have another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet is. Back to the front we can lift up the lid, and you can see the plane inside without having to take it out, so you can have it on display like this if you so chose. And then on the lid we have a little history of the A321neo and some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches, and then some other information you might like to know such as range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. Looks like it's within two pieces of plastic. Just remove the top. And there you have it, the Gemini Jet's Ural Airlines Airbus A321neo in 1/400 scale. Actually, this is a highly detailed die-cast metal model with tons and tons of detail. As you can see, like on the wings, you see the flaps, the ailerons, the blended wingtips, which on the inside of them, they also say Ural Airlines, and that is on both tips. Very nice detailed jet engines, very nice detailed landing gear, and underneath you can see there's a little space for a stand and a little Gemini Jet's logo. Moving to the stabilizers, on the vertical and horizontal you can see the elevators and the rudders, as well as again a Ural Airlines logo. As you see, the Ural Airlines livery, big Ural Airlines written here, again a logo here and here. So look at the cockpit. Moving to the other side, again the same level of detail on both. The little antennas here and here. And we've got a registration of RA-73800, which is on both sides and also written underneath on the wing here and here. Now this model has a length of about 11.1 centimeters and a wingspan of about 8.9 centimeters. It's a very nice sized model. And overall just very nice, very detailed, very sturdy model, although areas like the landing gear may be more delicate as they are smaller. And this model is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.